Damn, Curtis.
Alright, guess what came in the mail? Got an Amazon package. Finally got an instrument that I've been wanting for years, and it's a FLEXATONE. Ooh! FLEXATONE is a percussion instrument. It has a patent originally in Britain. It was popularized in hip-hop through classic West Coast sounds from pretty much anybody you could think of producer-wise. I immediately think of this sound when I think of classic DJ Quick. It's almost impossible to think of this sound and not think about Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, which... You already know what I was talking about. So it's basically these two balls that are hitting this silver part right here. I think we just gonna make a classic West Coast beat. Hey, and let me know, should we make this a series where I just pick up random instruments off of Amazon and, you know, give you some reviews on them? It should be interesting since I don't really know how to play instruments. That's a good starting point. I don't even know how to hold it. There gotta be something in there. Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's crazy. Hold on. I want to record some sidewinding ones. Let's see what that does.
The soul in darkness. Oh yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that was the FLEXATONE. This is a one-of-a-kind instrument. I really like this. I've been waiting to get my hands on one, and now I can annoy the hell out of y'all in the live streams with this. You plan on getting one? Leave me a comment below and let me know. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? Also, if you want to get this same FLEXATONE that I got, I'll leave it down below in the description. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.